Hi, guys. Welcome to my channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. Genuine and creative ways to make $100 a day online. So make sure to watch the full video. 1. Paid surveys. Another straightforward online side hustle for you to make easy money is doing paid surveys. Did you know that there are lots of sites out there that offer you to take surveys and then pay you for them? Granted, it's not the most profitable venture, but it's worth giving it a shot since it's so easy and available. If you're worried about the legitimacy of this kind of income, don't be. Paid surveys are perfectly legitimate. And they're used by thousands of businesses out there. Companies need opinions from users and buyers in order to improve their products and services, as well as to create new ones. And the internet allows them to reach people who can provide them with reliable data, people they otherwise wouldn't have the chance to reach. Swagbucks. This is arguably the most popular paid survey site in the world. Every time you take a survey, you also earn Swagbuck points, which you can later use to redeem gift cards or cash. Swagbucks also offers you other activities such as web searching, playing games, and watching videos. Depending on the survey and the activity you do on Swagbucks, you'll be able to earn between $2 and $50 per survey. Inbox dollars. The great thing about Inbox dollars is that it doesn't practice the point system. It works by offering you cash right away, through PayPal, but also, if you want, through gift cards. You can earn money by taking surveys, playing games, watching videos, and reading emails, but also by buying from selected stores. The surveys on Inbox dollars are paid anywhere from 50 cents to $20, and each survey takes 2 to 25 minutes of your time, depending on its length. Inbox dollars gives you $5 if you sign up with them. 2. Freelance writing. If you have solid writing skills and can quickly get the hang of all kinds of different topics in a short amount of time, then you should definitely try freelance writing. Depending on the work, the number of words, and the client's budget, you can make less and more than $100 per day. Some word count requirements are less than 500 words, but most of them are usually between 1,200 and 2,000 words. These are some of the best freelance marketplace websites right now. Upwork. If you've ever dabbled in freelancing, you must have heard about Upwork. It's a site that offers different kinds of freelance jobs in sectors such as IT, software, and web design, as well as graphic design, writing, translation, engineering, and architecture. It's a great place to search for freelance work if you're just starting out. Go here to learn more about Upwork alternatives. Contently, as the name suggests, this company is aimed specifically at freelance writers. Contently works by connecting writers with top global brands. If you want to sign up for their services, you will have to upload a portfolio, so this is recommended for more experienced writers who have many completed projects and at least a few years' worth of work experience under their belt. 3. Write sponsored posts. Sponsored posts are pretty self-explanatory. Basically, companies and businesses pay you to write good stuff about them, their services and/or their products, on your site or blog. What you need to do is talk about a product, or a brand. Now, how much you earn depends, again, on several factors: the niche you're in, how often you write sponsored posts, who pays you, etc. Payments range from a couple of $100s to several $1,000s per post, but sometimes also tens of thousands of dollars if your site has a lot of traffic. 4. Coaching and consultation. Provided that you're an expert in a particular field, coaching is a great way to earn money online. This usually works really well if you first put some effort into building your brand online through your website. Once people begin to trust you and realize that you have expertise and integrity, they will start to approach you on their own. They will ask you how you got to where you are now, how they can apply the same ideas and methods to their own business ideas or well-established companies. 5. Write an ebook or sell another type of digital product. This is a pretty easy way to make money online. For this to work, you have to have a certain amount of expertise in a field, so you know what you're talking about and why you're actually writing the ebook. But you can also write something shorter, like an online guide or a tutorial. If you're in the nutrition niche, you can create meal plans, or if you're in the sports niche, you can create an exercise routine. Nowadays, ebooks are really easy to promote and disseminate. You can put yours on your website for sale. But you can also sell it through Amazon, and, of course, promote it on social media platforms. 6. Google AdSense. You'll need a website, but you can make $100 a day. Google AdSense is a digital advertising program designed by Google for bloggers, website owners, and YouTubers to use and make money from the ads advertised on Google. It's a fairly simple strategy to earn income online. You will have to sign up with the program, and then Google will give you a code, known as an AdSense code, that you then need to copy and paste onto your website. And that's it. From then onwards, Google does most of the work and you get money every time someone clicks on your ads. 7. Create online courses. Offering online courses is similar to coaching, which means you need to have a deeper understanding of a certain topic or a set of skills. With the requirements for social distancing and the overall anxiety the pandemic has set off, online courses have become a way for people to keep learning and stay connected. Which means your expertise is likely to be much more appreciated nowadays. 8. Sell physical products online. If you're highly creative, have a side hobby, and are very good at a particular handicraft, then it's not a bad idea to invest in it and try selling your creations online. Whether it's handmade soaps, handmade candles, handmade jewelry, t-shirts, shawls, other pieces of clothing, mugs, or illustrations, whatever it is, there is a place on the internet for it. You can also earn money by launching a dropshipping store, where you won't need to handle the product directly. This way, you'll be an affiliate to another brand, business, or creative individual. 9. Work as a virtual assistant, VA. Bloggers and online business owners could always use a helping hand, and that's where you come in as a virtual assistant. It's usually a fairly easy job that can be done from home. You'll need to do some admin work and post on social media, but you can also act as customer support. The specific job description depends on your employer's needs. You'll do whatever they need most at the moment for their business to operate smoothly. This is why you should first take a general look at the field and decide whether you want to get into it or not. And then look at particular job offers and prepare for the ones that you want to apply for. 10. Buy and sell websites and domain names. That's right, trading websites and domains can bring you big money sometimes. If you want to search for websites to buy and later sell, check out Flippa, an online marketplace that offers websites, apps, and digital real estate, like online businesses. Well, it's easy. Sometimes, site owners don't have the time to continue running their website, or they get bored and move on to something else. That's where you come in, especially if you don't want to create a site from scratch. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go.